Hi there, this is Tammy. I'm gonna show you how to make a coin pouch that has no back middle seam and no flap showing. And the reason why that's important to me specifically is because I like to use coin pouches in my journals. And if you glue them down so that the flap goes this way, then you always have this seam showing. Now, I mean, yeah, you could cover it up if you wanted with collage or, you know, other papers or whatever, but I just kind of would like to have a bunch of them that didn't have the seam. So I played around and, you know, it was easy enough to figure out how to make them so that there's no seam showing and no flap showing. So I thought I would just really quickly show you how to do that. So typically with a flap, you would just fold it in half like this, okay? And you'd have your seam down the middle. But since I'm not gonna do that, I'll grab a new sheet of paper and I'm gonna show you again how to make a coin envelope without a middle seam or bottom flap showing. So the first thing we're going to do is just fold this in half. And then I'm going to fold up the bottom, and I'm going to do that at about a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to get my ruler. It'll help me make a nice fold. I didn't bring my scoreboard, so we can fold that right about a 1/2 inch, and make that fold nice and crisp, hopefully nice and straight. And then we're going to open it, and we're going to fold the sides. So we don't want a very big fold here. We just want it big enough so that we can glue it. And you know, I can get a pretty straight fold since it's so small anyway. Just by looking at it, it'll be good enough. So we're gonna do that on both sides. Hopefully you can see everything. I'm actually camping. We're trailer camping at South Beach State Park this week, yeah, for Monday through Friday. The weather is okay. It's not raining. It's not real cold, but it's not sunny either. But it's nice out, and we've been taking walks and stuff. I'm going to get my scissors, and I'm going to cut out this little rectangle right here. We're right on the fold marks. That'll take away a little bit of the bulk when I go to glue it. Do that on both sides. And then we're going to do that folded back up there, and I'm going to fold it back in half here. Make sure we're nice and straight. Okay, and then I'm going to do my top fold and make the flap. Oh, I didn't get very straight. Anyway, I can fix that, but let's get this made. So I'm going to make the flap about 1 inch, because that's about the size I like my flaps to be. That gives you plenty of room to you know, add a closure or whatever you want to do with the flap itself. And I'm just going to fold it right about 1 inch. And again, you know, get it nice and folded. And so then one side of this has to be completely cut off. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little line where that fold is, just so I can see it well. I think it doesn't really matter which side you cut off. Anyway, we'll trim that. I don't have the best setup for my camera here in the trailer, so I'm just trying to make it work so that I can get some stuff done. Share what I'm doing with y'all. So now I'm going to cut off this little rectangle. I didn't quite get it close enough to the fold edge. Let's try that again. Oh, my kitty's here. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he came up to give me some lovies and to look out the window. Okay, so the one thing I'm going to do before I fold this down is I want to put a little notch in it. So this punch has a notch punch and a corner rounder on the other side. So now it's all ready to glue down. And when I glue it, make sure everything's lining up well. So it really only needs to be put glue on, you know, one side here and this side here. And then when you fold it down, voila, voila, you have your pouch. And I like to, you know, give it up some little round corners on the flap. So let's get our little round corner over here. And I hope that makes a good round corner. We'll see. That's all right. And so there you have it. You have your little coin envelope. And, you know, there's no seams. You can glue it in your journal. And I'll probably put like a button closure, string closure on it. But you could do whatever you want and decorate it. And anyway, that's it. Easy as pie. Thanks.